welcome back to my channel. If you've clicked on this video, that means that you've officially made it to the physical wellness section of my channel.
So excited!
In this first video, I'd like to address neck and shoulder pain. A lot of us are working from home now. We're on the couch, we're at the kitchen table, we're at a desk, we're sitting down all day long, we're typing, our posture is terrible, we're slunched over.
Oh, I'm hurt! Oh, my neck!
But you know what?
I can fix that.
I'm gonna show you 5 stretches you can do in your chair right now that will help relieve that muscle pain.
Show me the money.
So I found a sturdy chair so I don't start to wobble while I'm doing this. We're going to start with a few head rotations. Let's go with 5. Now that our neck has loosened up a little, let's start with a range of motion rotation. Sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed and down, turn your head to one side as far as you comfortably can. Let's hold for 10 seconds. Now, let's turn our head in the other direction and hold for another 10 seconds. Next, let's do a range of motion flexion. Sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed and back, tuck your chin into your neck and slowly bend your head straight forward. Let's hold this position for 10 seconds. Next, we have a range of motion extension. From your chin tuck, raise your chin straight up to the ceiling as far as comfortable. Let's hold this position for 10 seconds. Lastly, we're going to stretch your upper trapezius muscles. Tilt your head towards one shoulder and place your hand on top of your head. With your opposite hand, slowly alternate shrugging and reaching for the floor. Repeat this movement 10 times. Next, tilt your head to the other side and repeat again with the other hand for another 10 seconds. Let's finish off this stretch with 5 more head rotations, this time in the opposite direction than you did before. All right, that was it. 5 stretches. I hope that helped. Stay tuned in for my 9 stretches to relieve lower back pain. Thanks.